Only 2 students. Let's wait for another minute for others to join. Children, I hope you're aware of your duty syllabus. Yes or no? Children, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So we have lesson 7 and lesson 7 and lesson 8, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now today I'm going to ask you a few questions and let me see how well you are prepared. Ready? Just keep your pencils and your rough
Yes,
copies
ma'am.
or your French copies by your side so that you can write down whatever I ask.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. All right, children, get ready with your copies and your pencils or pens, whatever. And please note down the questions that I would be asking you. What is a sun called in French? Sun, beta, not the heavenly body sun. Son and daughter. What is a sun called in French?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, soil.
No. Beta, you are telling me soleil.
Ma'am,
Soleil.
it's
Om Saraswat.
SUSON.
I am asking SON sun. I am not asking SUN sun.
Oh, SON.
And that is also not correct. If you give me this translation of SUN, Om, this is wrong. The spellings are not correct.
Ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Yes, Om.
Ma'am, his.
Ma'am, what we have to tell?
You have to tell me what is a sun called in French. I have typed in the chat box a sun. What is it called in French? Very nice. Oh, what his?
Ma'am,
Why are you saying his?
ma'am, SUN or SON was?
SON, beta, beta wala sun.
Okay.
Not सूरज वाला sun, beta वाला sun. Om, what is HIS? ये बताओ पहले.
Ma'am, his in English or in French?
Ma'am, fields.
बेटा his मैंने पूछा कब है?
Ma'am, the sun.
Okay, ma'am.
I asked, my question is, what is a sun called in French? So a sun in
Frills.
French, very nice. A sun in French is called
Frills.
Fields.
FILS. Now, similarly, what is a daughter called in French?
Philly.
Okay. Une fille. LL is silent. So we say une fille. The answer is correct. Please type in the chat box, children.
Okay.
Rancher, why don't you put your video on, beta? And Sahil Khan, you too. Fee. A daughter is called fille in French. Now, let me just know what are grandchildren called. Grandchildren. Very nice.
Ma'am,
Ayush Agarwal.
ma'am, are they called petites infants?
Okay. You are correct, Manrina, but your pronunciation is not correct. They are called les petits enfants. P-I-T-I-T-S is petits. Well, it's petit, but it has to be carried forward with the sound of enfant, E there. So we call it les petits enfants. Everybody speak. Les petits enfants.
Les petits enfants.
Les petits enfants.
Wonderful. Then, what is a grandfather called in French?
Ma'am, what?
Grandfather. What is a grandfather called in French?
Ma'am, les grands-pères.
Very
Ma'am, grandpère.
Very good.
Ma'am, grandpère.
Le grand-père.
Yes, ma'am.
Le
Les
grand-père.
grands-pères.
Amazing. Okay. Let's come on to a few subjects now. What is the subject science in French?
Ma'am, what?
Science. Science subject in French is called what?
Ma'am, I think that it will be science only.
Very nice. Science is science. But we call it
Yes, ma'am.
science.
Science.
What do we call it? We call it science.
Sion.
Science.
Ma'am, please tell the spelling.
S-C-I-E-N-C-E. It is called science. What is English in French?
Anglais.
Anglais. Amazing. English subject is called anglais. What is French called?
Français. Ma'am, français.
Français. Very good.
Français.
And what is maths called?
Maths.
Ma'am, it is called mathematics.
Okay. It is
Ma'am,
called
mathematics.
mathematique.
Mathematics.
Yes. Now, if I tell you to put this sentence in French, I study maths, science, and English. Type it in the chat box.
Ma'am, what?
I study maths, science, and English. Translate this sentence in French and type in the chat box.
Ma'am, next.
Next. Have you typed it?
Ma'am, what we have to type?
You have to type the translation in French of the sentence, I study math, science, and English.
I study maths, science, and English. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, don't know.
Why? Nobody has typed it yet. Okay, what is? Yes, Om.
Ma'am, I'm typing.
Okay, good. Ayush Agarwal has typed it. Very nice. But Ayush Agarwal, you have copied it from Google Translator.
Hmm.
Okay,
Ma'am,
anybody else?
I think study from Google.
You study from Google only.
No, I translate study.
Okay.
No, sorry.
Anybody else? Yes.
Ma'am, home.
Good. Maths is beta mathematik. What you have studied in this chapter in the syllabus is mathematik. Okay, jetudi.
Yeah.
That's correct. My sole purpose of making you translate this sentence was to see how do you write I study. I study becomes jetudi. But Ayush Agarwal's yetudi is correct. And Om, you are missing that apostrophe in between je and etudi.
Ma'am, I'm missing essence.
No,
I
I'm
think.
not talking about the accent. I'm ignoring those accents because it is difficult to type on a laptop. But
Yes, ma'am.
you have to put that apostrophe. Apostrophe can be done in laptop.
Okay, ma'am.
Now see, I have typed, right? That accent is missing from E, but the apostrophe should be there. So when I say I study math, science, and English, my sentence is j'étudie mathématiques, sciences et anglais. Correct? Correct. Then next, let's move on to the next sentence, which is now, children, one thing I want to like warn you or make you alert of one thing. Exams, in your previous exams also, be very careful of one thing. If you are asked to translate a sentence, only then you are supposed to translate it. If you are asked a question in French and I have just put a question mark, what does that mean? That means that I am putting up a question which needs to be answered. It doesn't need to be translated. Many of you did this mistake in your last exams. कोई क्वेश्चन है फ्रेंच में तो आपने उसका ट्रांसलेशन दे दिया. ठीक है, जहां ट्रांसलेशन देना है there you will be very clearly instructed to translate that sentence. If it is not given, if you are not asked to translate, please answer the question in French. Now suppose I tell you to translate a sentence that is a weekend has 2 days. A weekend has 2 days. Now nobody is going to use Google Translator, first of all, because we have studied weekend. What is a weekend called? Weekend has got the same spellings. Weekon. We just call it weekon. We have studied the verb have. Have verb is avoir verb. 2 days. 2 is a simple number. And days, we all know what it is called. So just try to do it yourself. A weekend has 2 days. A weekend. Weekend is masculine or feminine?
Feminine?
No. It's masculine.
Ma'am, it is masculine.
Yes, it's masculine. So we'll have
Ma'am, because whenever we say it's the weekend, हम जब भी कभी भी हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि वीकेंड है तो हम उसके आगे में ही नहीं लगाते. वीकेंड आ गई. हम हमेशा बोलते हैं वीकेंड गई
Now,
मैं ये करूँगा.
see, one more thing. You can't compare French with Hindi language. It is not that कि हिंदी में if it's feminine तो French में भी feminine होगा. Don't just compare these two things. You might go wrong at many places if you do this. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, send the answer.
Very nice. Vaibhav, absolutely correct. Un week-on, a de jour.
Thank you, ma'am.
Why, Om? Why are you laughing? What makes you laugh? Is it difficult? Anybody who has not understood it?
No, ma'am, understood.
Understood now? Why we have put a in between? We have conjugated avoir according to il and el. Why? Because we are talking about one weekend. ठीक है? अगर हम बहुत सारे weekends की बात करते तो we would have conjugated it according to ILS and ELLES. Correct. Now, the other one. What next? Okay. One very big sentence you have to translate in French. On Saturdays, I go to the swimming pool, but this Saturday, I am going to the cinema.
Ma'am, please repeat.
On Saturdays, I go to the swimming pool, but on this Saturday, I am going to the cinema.
Ma'am, can I tell? Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell.
Ma'am, my French is a bit wrong, but I'll try.
Okay.
La samedi, je vais à la piscine.
Very
Mais
good.
ce samedi, nous allons au cinéma.
Very nice.
Ma'am, my French is very bad.
Page number 73, children. Page number 73. The last line of the dialogue. The only mistake you made, Ranshir, was my sentence was on Saturdays, I go to the swimming pool, but on this Saturday, I will go to the cinema. Now, what you did, you just read out the whole sentence, wherein it is given nous allons. Nous allons means we will go, but I used I will go.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes. So you copied it, but what it is said कि नकल में भी क्या चाहिए?
Ma'am,
there's a
अकल
saying
चाहिए।
where people say,
Akal, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, नकल के लिए भी
तो बस
अक्ल
बेटा
चाहिए।
यही yes, तो यही अकल अप्लाई करनी थी आपको। वो नू की जगह बस आपको य लगाना था, ठीक है? Yes. All right. Then the next one. If I ask you, now let me see, I want the answer only in the chat box. The question is, quel jour sommes-nous? I want the complete answer. पूरा sentence होना चाहिए, not just one word. Quel jour sommes-nous?
Ma'am, listen somewhere.
You've heard this question somewhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Arey, ma'am, find
Quite
it.
familiar.
Ma'am, find it. How many days are there in week?
No, Vaibhav, please.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No. No, only type the answer in the chat box. Quel jour sommes-nous? Quel jour sommes-nous? Very nice. At least Ayush understood my question. Quel jour sommes-nous? What does it mean, children? What day it is? Quel jour, which day? And sommes-nous, here the question means what day it is. So whenever we answer this question, we answer nous sommes au and the day, the name of the day. So what is the day today? Today is
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday in French is called
Mercredi. Ma'am, Mercedes, Mercredi.
Yes. So your answer should be nous sommes au mercredi.
Ma'am, it's
Everybody now type in the chat box. Nous sommes au mercredi.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, nous sommes
Au mercredi.
ma'am, my first sentence was right.
Is that Ayush asking me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, it was right.
Okay.
Aujourd'hui c'est mercredi. It's not a. Today is name. Today it is Wednesday. In French, we say it like that. Nous sommes au mercredi. Rancher and Ayush, not a mercredi, A-U. It is, what do we write? We write
A.
au mercredi. Nous sommes au mercredi. And what is the spelling of somme, children? Somme के क्या spelling होते हैं?
SOM.
S-O-M.
Ma'am, SOMME.
S-O-M-M-E-S होता है. E-S.
Yes, ma'am. I said correct.
Yes. Nous sommes au mercredi.
And I was also
Fine.
right.
Fine. Now, my next question is, combien de jours il y a dans une semaine? Combien de jours il y a dans une semaine?
Ma'am can't understand.
No, try to understand. Again.
Ma'am, it is looking like Chinese.
नहीं तो French है तो French होएगी ना? Okay. Combien de. What is the term combien de? Combien de means how many or how much. Quantity and number. दोनों के लिए we use combien de. ठीक है?
Remember.
Combien de jours. Now all of you know what is jour. Combien de jours il y a dans une semaine? Semaine. What is semaine?
Week.
Week. Now just try to figure out what
How
I'm
many
asking.
days? How many days are there in week?
Yes.
Okay.
How many days are there in a week?
Ma'am, I'm too smart.
How come?
Ma'am, I am giving all the answers.
Oh my God. So Vaibhav, let me just see your face. I don't recognize who you are.
Ma'am, it's too weird.
No, it's not weird. Don't think like that. Everybody is weird in front of the camera.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, you are Vaibhav. Yes, you are too smart. Your classmates used to call you duckling. Who was duckling in class 6?
Ma'am, duckling was Daksh Bhardwaj.
Okay.
And that's funny. Ma'am, he was Siddhi.
Was he also
Ma'am,
known?
Vaibhav was.
Yes.
Ma'am, Vaibhav was known as Piddhi Prasad.
Okay. All
Ma'am,
right. So
Om was known as omnivorous.
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 Fine. Good. Okay, children. Now, when I'm asking you sentences, see again, I'm telling you. If you are going to give Ayush Agarwal's answer is Setyur. If you are going to answer this way in your exams, 2 marks के question में you're just going to get 1 marks. समझे? So I want full sentence. There are 7 days in a week. Type it and show it how you do it, how you write it. Not even a single answer till now.
Ma'am, framing the answer.
Good. Slowly and gradually, everybody is disappearing from the class. Shay has gone, Mandrina is there. Okay, Vaibhav is there. Sahil is gone. Who else? Om is gone. Only 3 are left. All right, so I got just one answer. Now Ayush, again Google Translator, huh?
No, confirm no.
Okay, good. Okay, let me tell you one more thing. Everybody look into the chat box. Whenever we write Ilya, this Ilya is a term which is used to use in sentences like there is and there are. Okay, there is and there are. Combien de is used for how many and how much. So generally to the questions starting with combien de, the answer begins from Ilya. Got it? If I ask combien de jours dans une semaine, il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Il y a 7 jours, voilà A. Okay, now remove that voilà A and write il y a 7 jours dans une semaine.
Okay.
Written. Ayush Agarwal has only sent the answer. What about Sahil and Mandrina? What are you doing, beta? Okay, another. Now you have to translate it and tell it to me. I'm typing in the chat box. Just tell me what is the translation of Ayush and everybody else. They seem to be like lost from the class, Sahil and Mandrina. It's only you who is there. Le nouveau de ma mère et mon cousin.
Then what is AVU?
Nouveau.
What is mean?
What are you asking?
And what is the meaning of nephew?
Nouveau nephew.
No, okay.
Ayush, still not being able to figure out what it is?
No, ma'am.
Okay, what is le nouveau? What is le nouveau?
The cousin of my mother is my cousin.
Yes, the nephew of my mother is my cousin, isn't it? Your mother's nephew is definitely your cousin, right? Okay, now next question is conjugate the verb regarder. You know the verb regarder? Regarder means to look at or to watch. Conjugate the verb regarder with nous, N-O-U-S.
Okay.
Will you be able to do it?
Okay.
Good. Nous regardons. Very good. Conjugate the verb détester with il and l. ILS and ELLES.
And please repeat the word.
Détester. Détester. Beta, with ILS and ELLES. ILS. You have done with L only. What does the verb become with ILS? Yes. El detest. Okay. There's a little problem with the spelling. Detest. Now check. This is the spellings. Detest. T-E-N-T. Detest. And we call it detest. Correct? Then, what is aujourd'hui et demain? What is
Excuse me, ma'am.
aujourd'hui et demain? Yes?
Ma'am, my camera is not opening.
Why so?
Ma'am,
Don't know?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. No problem, but please like be active to give your response, because I was talking to you and Sahil and none of you were replying. That means you were not even here. Done? What is aujourd'hui et demain? Ayush and Mandrina, both. What do you mean by aujourd'hui?
I don't know.
Aujourd'hui. You yourself wrote it in a sentence when I asked you the day.
Okay.
What is
ma'am,
aujourd'hui? Aujourd'hui
can't- I cannot.
is today, and demain is tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Aujourd'hui is today.
today and tomorrow.
And
Yes.
okay, ma'am.
If I say aujourd'hui et demain, that means today and tomorrow. Okay. What is okay? My question is, did I ask you? Quel âge avez-vous? Yes, I have asked you. All right. The next question is, try to translate this sentence. Catherine est la fille de Monsieur Patrick. Catherine est la fille de Monsieur Patrick.
Catherine is a friend of Pedro.
Catherine est la fille. What is la fille? Catherine A. Catherine A, you understood what it is? Catherine is a name. Now I am putting Catherine A, la fille. What is la fille? Okay, la fille is the daughter. It is also a girl, the daughter. Now, Catherine est la fille de Monsieur Patrick. What does it mean? Now I have simplified it. It is almost translated.
Daughter.
Catherine is the daughter of Monsieur Patrick. Yes.